The Ford Explorer EV 2023-present comes equipped with power folding side rearview mirrors. This video will show you how to open and close them either manually or automatically. Knowing how to operate these mirrors is essential for navigating tight parking spaces and protecting them from damage. The primary way to control your mirrors is via a button located on the driver's side door panel. Look for a small icon depicting a folding mirror. Pressing this button will retract the mirrors inward. Pressing it again will extend them back to their original position. The process takes about 5 to 10 seconds per mirror. Ford Explorer EV mirrors can be configured to fold automatically when you lock the vehicle and unfold when you unlock it. This convenient feature saves time and protects the mirrors in various conditions. To enable this, navigate to the Settings menu on the Sync 4 infotainment system. Look for Vehicle Settings, then Mirror Controls, where you can toggle the Auto Fold on Lock and Unfold on Unlock options. The mirrors seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's key fob. When you press the lock button on the fob, the mirrors automatically fold inward for protection. Pressing Unlock unfolds them back to their driving position. This system uses an electromechanical mechanism with motors and gears to ensure reliable operation. Remember to check that the feature is enabled in your settings for optimal use. For added convenience, the Ford Pass app allows remote control of the mirrors. You can precondition the mirrors, such as folding them before a valet parks the car, directly from your smartphone. The app provides another way to ensure your mirrors are protected, even when you're not near the vehicle. Simply open the app, select your vehicle, and use the remote commands to fold or unfold the mirrors as needed. The Ford Explorer EV mirror system includes important safety features designed to protect drivers and passengers. Safety interlocks prevent the mirrors from folding when the vehicle is moving at speeds over 15 miles per hour, reducing the risk of accidents caused by sudden mirror retraction. This prevents accidental mirror operation while the vehicle is in motion, ensuring visibility remains optimal during driving. The system also supports Ford's Copilot 360 suite, including blind spot information system alerts. Additionally, the mirrors comply with U.S. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards FMVSS 111, ensuring they provide adequate field of view and meet regulatory requirements for vehicle safety. Common issues with the Ford Explorer EV's power folding mirrors include non-response due to disabled settings or glitches. The mirrors have 98% uptime, but 2% of owners report problems. First, ensure the auto fold feature is enabled in the vehicle settings. This can prevent mirrors from responding if disabled. Occasional glitches can occur in cold weather, especially below -10°C due to software bugs affecting mirror motors. A 2025 recall addressed this for 5,000 units. If unresponsive, try resetting the mirrors through the Sync infotainment system. This can resolve temporary issues. If problems continue, contact Ford support for assistance. They offer fixes, including software updates. Power folding mirrors offer several key benefits for Ford Explorer EV owners. They protect the mirrors from damage when parking in tight spaces like urban garages or narrow streets. By preventing damage, these mirrors help avoid expensive repair costs that can occur with manual folding in challenging environments. They also save valuable time during parking, typically reducing the process by 2 to 3 minutes per session compared to manual adjustments. Additionally, folded mirrors improve the vehicle's aerodynamics by reducing wind resistance, which can boost the EV's driving range by approximately 0.5%.